Hello, today we will guide you through how to add your Gmail account to Outlook Office 365. In this walkthrough, we'll be working inside Gmail settings to begin connecting your email with Outlook Office 365. If you want to manage your messages more conveniently across platforms, this setup can help streamline your workflow. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed in to the Gmail account you want to use. Start by opening your Gmail inbox. Once you're on the main inbox screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Settings icon, which appears as a small gear. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. When the panel appears, don't stop there. To access the full range of Gmail options, click See All Settings. This will take you to the Complete Settings area, where you can manage account preferences, mail behavior, and connected account options. Across the top of the settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail lets you control how you send and receive mail from other email services, and it's the area you'll need for this process. Once you're in Accounts and Import, look for the section labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that section, click Add Email. This starts the process of linking another email account so that Gmail can interact with it as part of your wider email setup. After selecting Add Email, a new window or prompt should appear. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. The prompts may vary slightly depending on your account settings, your Outlook or Microsoft configuration, and any security options currently enabled. Take your time and read each screen carefully before moving on. As you go through the setup, you may be asked to confirm account details or permissions so the connection can be completed correctly. This is normal and helps make sure the account is added securely. If anything doesn't look right, double-check the information you're entering and make sure you're using the correct account. A helpful tip here is to keep both Gmail and Outlook accessible during setup, especially if you need to verify prompts or approvals. Also, if your organization uses additional sign-in protection, you may need to complete those security checks as part of the on-screen process. Once you've finished the prompts, your Gmail and Outlook Office 365 connection should be in place, depending on the options you selected during setup. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you get your Gmail account connected to Outlook Office 365 smoothly.